Match the number now. Where is the number 11? Find the number 11 here. Yes. Now what you have to do is you have to match the number 11 on this roll. Find the 11 number on roll. Wow, show me. Wow, great job. Now 11.
12.
Yes, where is number 12? Find the number 12. Wow. Take it and match on the roll. Wow. Find the number 12 on the roll. Find the number 12. Wow, show me. Oh, Mahi did a great job, guys. What's the next number? 11, 12. Yes. Now find the number 13. Yes. Where is the number 13 on roll? Yes. Now what you have to do is you have to take the sticker of number 13 and you have to match here. Very good. Wow, Mahi, you are doing great. Now 11, 12, 13.
14.
Where is the number 14? Where is the number 14 on the sticker? Wow, great job. And on the roll, where is number 14? Where you have to match. Show me. Whoa, great job. Take out the number 14 sticker. Wow, match it there. Where the 14 number gone? Uh-oh.
Oh, hey 14.
Yes.
I see you.
I see you. 11, 12, 13, 14. Ah. 1, 5, 15. Where is the number 15? Okay, first you want to find on the roll?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Very good. Great job. Now 14, 15.
16.
Yes, where is the number 16? Yes, very good. And on the roll, where is number 16?
16.
Yes, on the roll, where is number 16? Where you have to match this number, this sticker.
Let me take one.
Yeah, take it. Very good.
One more this.
That's 16. 1, 6, 16. Okay, match it. Match on the same number.
Oh wow.
Great job. Now 15, 16.
13.
Very good.
18,
Wait.
19, 20.
Yes, 18, 19, 20.
Wow. Oh my god.
Take the number 17 sticker. Now 15, 16, 17.
18.
Ah. Yes, now find the number 18.
Oh no, what is that?
Oh, that's buildings. Oh, careful.
Reading.
Yes.
Okay.
Now find the number 18 and match it.
I'm okay.
Very good. You sit on the chair, beta. Sit on a chair. Okay, match it here on the roll. Now, what number?
19.
Very good. Sit on the chair, Mahi. Take number 19 and match it. And last number is
No.
match on number 20. Wow, great job, Mahi. Wow. You've done it so beautifully.
It's right. 12, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yay! Wow, great job.
20.
Bye-bye. Yay!
Bye-bye, guys. See you soon. Take care.